आपने जस्टिफाई किया, इसलिए हम अमाइकस बना रहे हैं। अगर आपने why are these listed today?
My lord, there are two applications which are to be heard by my lord. My lord, one is an application for conducting examination for the session 2021-22 for the course GNM. Second is for declaration of result of first year examination for GNM session 2022-23. My lord, these are the two applications which requires my lord.
Who have filed those applications?
My lord, the one application has been presented by the council, my lord, MPNRC, and one has been preferred by the petitioners, my lord.
You are appearing for the council.
I am appearing for the
your application is in which petition?
That is my lord, WP 1080, my lord.
The lead petition.
Yes, my lord, and it is at serial number 337 in the reference, my lord.
What is your application?
Yes, my lord, my application is, my lord, on the basis of
which is your application?
337, my lord, in the ERP, my lord, serial number 337.
7.
Ji.
Yes. So, what is the ground for seeking permission?
Yes, my lord. My lord, along with the application, my lord, firstly, I have brought on record, my lord, the earlier orders by which, my lord, we had conducted the examination with respect to earlier sessions, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, how the matter has progressed to the present time, my lord, where we are seeking examination of a third year GNM, my lord.
Now, why were their examinations stopped?
My lord, in the year 2022, my lord, there was an inspection which was carried out by the Gwalior bench, my lord, in furtherance to which our 10-member committee was constituted, and the colleges in Chambal regions were inspected, nursing colleges of Chambal region. Now, subsequently, my lord, what had happened when these colleges around, mostly the colleges were weeded out, my lord, but some of the colleges were remaining. When the second time there was a direction issued for a CBI inquiry, those orders have been uploaded by me also. When that order was passed, my lord, that there will be a CBI inquiry with respect to entire state, not just the Chambal region, my lord. There were 123 colleges, my lord, which went to Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to restrain CBI inquiry with respect to those 123 colleges because they were already inspected in an earlier round of litigation in a PIL. So, my lord, however, with respect to the other colleges, my lord, there was a direction to the CBI to conduct an inquiry. Now, when
these are the other colleges or
yes, these are the other colleges. These are not Supreme Court protected colleges, my lord. Now, when these other colleges were inspected, my lord, the CBI noticed large scale, my lord, deficiencies so far as the infrastructure is concerned. They also found that there is duplicacy of teachers also, that one teacher is serving in multiple colleges.
So then what happened?
Now, thereafter, my lord, there was categorization in three parts, my lord. One was suitable colleges as per CBI inquiry. Second was deficient colleges. Third was unsuitable colleges, my lord. Now, so far as the deficient college was concerned, there was a high power committee which was constituted.
So far as suitable colleges are concerned, they're out.
They are out, my lord. Although since the matter is the Honorable Court is seized of the matter, my lord, so their examinations and their declaration of results is also being done in furtherance to the Honorable Court's order, my lord. And so far as unsuitable colleges and deficient colleges are concerned, my lord, there was a high power committee which was constituted because some of the colleges were such, my lord, that there was infrastructure wise they were fulfilling the criteria. But so far as, my lord, supposedly there was a library, books were less. There was classrooms where there were amenities were less. But then, my lord, so Honorable Court was of the view that they should be given an opportunity to rectify these deficiencies, and the committee would verify whether they have rectified it or not. And thereafter, my lord, the steps were to be taken as to whether they'll be treated as suitable or they'll to be again classified as unsuitable. So, my lord, these proceedings when they were going on, my lord, at that point of time, there was an agitation among the students also that they served the primary health centers, community health centers at the time of COVID and everything, and they are not being permitted to take examination, and there is complete stagnancy as far as their career progression is concerned. So the Honorable Court, by way of interim orders on various dates, my lord, permitted the students to take examination, and based after the examination was done, thereafter they were permitted. The result was permitted, my lord. Now, in the same line, my lord,
that result is withheld.
That for the first year,
so that exam result is withheld.
Yes.
Now you are wanting permission of the next exam.
Yes, I am wanting. No, my lord,
now,
that's
what is the status of the first examination colleges?
Yes, my lord, we have furnished, my lord, if my lord may have a reference column, my lord, in that, my lord, we have submitted a serial number 24 in the reference column, my lord. Now, this is with respect to the suitable college list, my lord, which is there, so far as session 22-23 is concerned.
No, suitable colleges you are saying were out?
Yes, my lord, but the students, the result for those students have also not been declared as on date, my lord. And in fact, the examination for them also is required to be done in furtherance to the permission from this Honorable Court.
No, you categorize every college as suitable?
Yes, this is a list of suitable colleges only. Other than that, they are unsuitable or deficient.
Who has determined this category?
My lord, this is based on report of the CBI, and thereafter the report submitted by the High Power Committee constituted.
Who categorize them as suitable?
CBI and High Power Committee.
Where is that categorization by them?
My lord, it has been done on different dates, my lord, because the reports have been submitted by the CBI after conducting inspection in the entire
Who is appearing for
state.
CBI? You are appearing.
My lord.
And committee?
And the committee, my lord, on different dates have given opportunity of hearing to all the colleges, my lord, which were held to be deficient or
So,
unsuitable.
you are seeking permission for declaration of result of these suitable colleges?
For the session 22-23, GNM first year.
Declaration of result of all the colleges.
All the colleges.
Not
That
the
I
suitable colleges.
not suitable. Well, I am seeking with
You are
respect to.
seeking permission to declare the result of the exam which was conducted for the students of all the colleges.
And the
Second, you are seeking
even unsuitable colleges?
The students were permitted for unsuitable colleges also.
How do you declare their result?
Yes. Now, what has
There are three
happened?
categories. One is suitable. Now, if the committee and CBI has categorized them as suitable, that is one issue. Then there are deficient colleges for which deficiency has, we were said, were to be removed
They have-
and then to be re-inspected.
Yes.
Has that re-inspection
Yes,
happened?
that was done by high power committee only. Physically verified.
And has the high power committee again recategorized some of them?
Yes, some of them were recategorized as suitable, some
Some
of
are
them were
unsuitable.
recategorized as unsuitable.
And third category is completely unsuitable.
Unsuitable.
All right.
Now, so there is just one aspect which my lord, I should have pointed out also. My lord, there is another aspect is that, my lord, during this period when this classification was being carried out, the honorable court was of the view that the students in the unsuitable colleges, they are required to be shifted in the suitable colleges, the seats which are lying vacant in the suitable colleges, my lord. So that exercise has already been undertaken, my lord. Now, with
Were
this,
they shifted?
yes, my lord, they have all been shifted. Day before yesterday, they have already been done, my lord. Allocation has been done.
And they commenced their education from day one or future?
From ahead, my lord.
How do you accept that?
My lord, for that, my lord, there was a
have not been shifted.
Unsuitable.
They are not listed. And secondly,
he has told us, my lord, not even a notice has been issued in his case. They last
my PIL, they file another PIL in 26.
What's it?
They have data from my PIL. And now
Copy paste, my lord.
Bagricha. Mr. Bagricha, we are getting to the root of the matter. You are appearing for the law students.
yes, sir.
You are saying shut down all these colleges.
Yes.
Mr. Avasti, somebody has, how many year course is this?
My lord, there are degree courses and there are diploma courses, my lord.
So,
Diploma
ranging
courses are
from-
3 years and degree
ranging
courses
from-
are 4 years.
3 to 4 years.
Yes.
Somebody studied 2 years in a non-existent college. You shift him to an existing college, so in 2 years he qualifies the degree.
My lord, the rule, my lord, provides this only that whenever we cancel any recognition.
Mr. Avasti, there is a difference.
My lord.
A recognition granted for some infraction, recognition taken away. That means in the first instance that college was compliant. Supposing number of teacher goes down,
My lord.
or there is no principal for a period of time for whatever reason,
My lord.
you withdraw recognition. Those will be categorized as people who will be shifted to regularized colleges. Non-existent colleges, nursing college running in a one shop. We have instances of that also. Can you say that their students be shifted after 2 years or 3 years?
My lord, in this context, in this very context, if my lord may just have an order sheet, my lord, that is, my lord, order sheet dated 11/3/2024. In this context,
This issue has not been considered at the time of passing the order of shifting. That whether they should be shifted in the same class or they should start their.
no, that was not.
That was not considered.
Rule 9 was
Even it
corrected.
was not considered that whether the colleges those are actually not in existence and someone has cleared 1 year, 2 year in that college, what will happen to those students?
And
They will
Mr.
be taken
Avasti,
at par with the colleges those were.
what is the stand you are appearing for? The medical commission.
My lord, the MP NRC, my lord, Nursing
Nursing
Registration Council.
How can the nursing commission take this stand? Please tell us. If the nursing commission is taking this stand, then the persons running the nursing commission are not fit to hold this
My
position.
lord, this is precisely why I am pointing out this order. This
This
was not
order-
this was the honorable court's order, my lord.
Mr. Avasti,
My lord.
what is the view of the nursing commission?
My lord, as far as
They are happy with this
we have
order?
cancelled it. We have cancelled their recognition. Only the good colleges are running with 245 in
then
number.
where is the question of seeking permission to declare the result
Because
and
there
hold
was an order of
examination?
the court, my lord, and we are complying with that order, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am inviting.
Does this order say that you will not declare the result and you will hold fresh examination?
All those orders have been annexed in this compilation, my lord. If my lord would just
Let's look at that order. What was the direction?
11/3/24 for a moment, my
Yes,
lord. After
we are
that,
on.
it will be further clear, my lord. 11/3/2024.
Yes.
Now, in this, my lord, may have in internal page 5. Internal page 5, my lord. These are the interlocutory applications, my lord. The decision have been taken on the interlocutory application filed by the students. My lord, may have by way of application.
Yes.
The para. by way of application, that is IA number 3407/24 and such and such, the students of unsuited colleges have made a request in unison that they may also be allowed to intervene in the matter and they may also be permitted to participate in the examination as has been done in the case of the students of suited and deficient colleges. Award it is in the application that the student got admitted in unsuited college have provided their services in the government health centers during outbreak of COVID-19, in that the doctors and permanent staffs avoided their obligation in fear of peril in their life, and when these students were asked to come out, they without caring to their life participated in the mayhem by discharging duties in the government health centers. It is also averred in the application that as regards the observation of this court in the order dated 8/2024, giving reference to decision of Supreme Court in INRI National Council for Teachers Education versus such and such, that since the students are graduate, they are mentally sound to take decision in respect of choosing appropriate college for seeking admission. These students cannot be compared with the students who are graduate and can understand in better perspective about their future. Ergo, they want modification of the part of the order dated 8/2024, which restrained the students of unsuited colleges from taking part in the examination, but allows the students of the other colleges which are in the category of suited and deficient. Lastly, it is requested that if the students are not allowed to participate in the examination, who are not at fault, will definitely lose their at least 3 to 4 year of academic session. On careful consideration of the documents made appendix to this application, it transpires that these students had borne the brunt of the responsibility when regular government staff took to their heels. Further, these students are not graduate and their mental status cannot be equated with the students who are graduate, nor are they in the circumference of the students whom the Supreme Court had repelled to favor. Thus, we are of the opinion that the order dated 8/2024 is modified to the extent that the students of the unsuited colleges shall also be permitted to participate in the examination, but their arrangement and benefit would be one-time measure, and if they do not clear the
This is an
examination...
interim measure.
Yes, so...
We are not accepting this order.
this is... No,
Sorry.
And they failed the examination and they also conducted supplementary.
they never objected to it. Was
They
never
may not
challenged.
object, Mr.
No,
Avasti. We are not going to...
I am not on the merits of the case at all. I am just
What are you,
pointing out what are the
Mr.
facts, my lord.
Avasti? Already you pointed a fact. We are not accepting this.
My lord. So this is the first aspect, my lord, based on which this was done. Now, my lord, thereafter, my lord, we just have another order sheet, my lord. That is, my lord, order sheet dated that is 9/5/2025, my lord. That is another order sheet, my lord. 9/5/2025, my lord.
9/5/25.
Yes, my lord. There is also a compilation, my lord,
One
which
second,
contains...
there is no 9/5/25. 9/5/20. Yes.
Now, here, if my lord may have the second page, last paragraph. Second page, last paragraph, my lord. At the same time, it is the para starts with at the same
Yes.
time. Yes. At the same time, MP Nursing Council is also directed to prepare the list of students who are to be shifted from unsuited colleges to suited colleges, considering the available vacancies of the colleges, and invite choice of the students and accordingly shifting be made. It is further made clear that the nodal officer already acted on behalf of the high-level committee shall be kept away from this proceeding so as to avoid any further illegality in the process of shifting. This direction is being issued only to consider the comfort of the student to make the shifting process easy, so that the students may not suffer and also not face any difficulty in prosecuting their studies. Now, thereafter, my lord, there is another...
Yes.
Now, my lord, may have order. Next order sheet is 21/8/2025, my lord. This order, my lord, which I just read over to my lord, this was there was a modification. There was a clarification application which was filed, my lord. Now, in furtherance to that, my lord, this order has been passed on 21/8/2025. Now, here, my lord, the answer lies so far as Rule 9 is concerned, which my lord's query was. Heard on IA number 15951/2025, which is an application for issuance of appropriate direction for clarification of order dated 9/5/2025. Before coming to the order dated 9/5/2000, it would be essential to refer to an order dated 28/3/25, whereby for the first time this court had passed an order in regard to rehabilitating the students of the unsuited colleges to the suitable colleges. The order dated 28/3/2025 was passed with a direction to the respondent to accommodate the students of unsuited colleges as a lot of time has passed and no action has been taken in order to rehabilitate rehabilitate these students, a time limit of 1 month was fixed from the date of the order. However, learned counsel for the petition submit that when they had started acting with direction as suggested by this court, certain allegations were leveled that Nursing Council of the state was indulging in sharp practice and work for consideration from private nursing colleges seeking to adjust the students there. It is in that backdrop the order dated 9/5/2025 was passed by this court, where this court had directed MP Nursing Council to prepare a list of students who are to be shifted from unsuited to the suitable colleges, considering the vacancies available. In that order, it was also made clear that the nodal officer who acted on behalf of high-level committee shall be kept away from the proceedings so as to avoid any further illegality in the process of shifting. Thereafter, the present interlocutory application has been filed, whereby at page 5, as per schedule 1, the learned counsel for the Nursing Council has stated that as far as students of BSc Nursing, PWD, SC Nursing and MSP Nursing are concerned, can be shifted immediately to suitable colleges from unsuitable, provided Rule 9(3) of Rules of 2018 is relaxed. Rule 9(3) of the Rules of 2018 provides that where any student had to be shifted on account of excessive admission being granted, the same may be done within the same district itself. Learned Council for Nursing Council submits that this order is coming in the way because if it is to be complied with, it would not be possible to find the adequate number of vacancies for the student to be shifted from unsuitable to the suitable colleges. He has further submitted that if this rule is relaxed, then all students of the aforementioned courses can be shifted immediately. He furthermore stated that the students who are sought to be shifted will be given the preference of college of their choice for shifting, subject of course to the fact that number of students claiming adjustment in one particular college does not exceed the number of available seats in that college. The need to carry out this adjustment has been necessitated by on account of the fact that out of 800 colleges in which admissions were given, only 200 are found suitable, as stated by learned counsel for the petitioner and not denied by the learned counsel.
9(3) prescribed maximum number of students.
Maximum and shifting within the same district.
Only in the same district.
But we did not have adequate number of seats, so we requested that it may be relaxed so that we can shift to other colleges.
Same district.
It was for the normal functioning. It is an exceptional situation where students are not even there in the colleges. They are sitting somewhere in Bihar
No, there cannot be
and not taking examination here in Madhya Pradesh.
The court has considered that which class, which semester they should be shifted.
I brought on to the query, my lord, there is nothing, no such consideration, and there is no such order that from which year they are.
Somebody was in final year
Yes,
of
yes.
4-year course,
Yes.
3 years in one shop. 4th year he comes and he qualifies.
No, but my lord, in these cases, my lord, these are slightly different, my lord, because these are the students who were in first or second year, my lord, who have been now.
So let them take admission in first year again. Redo the course in normal regular courses.
My lord.
Why should they be permitted?
Certainly, but my lord, there is two aspects to it, my lord. These are the students, my lord, who have taken first year examination. They qualified those examinations.
Mr. Avasti.
That examination was conducted
Mr.
at the
Avasti,
university.
who conducted the examination?
It's a university which conducted the examination. No, it was not the college which itself
Who
conducted the examination.
recognized these colleges?
MP NRC
NRC, my lord.
gives the
Who
recognition.
recognized them?
Yes.
On what action have you taken against your officers for recognizing these
My
colleges?
lord,
No action has been taken, my lord.
my lord, firstly, I'll again object to his submissions, my lord. In his case, there is no notices have been issued.
All right, issue notice accepted.
No, so far his case is concerned.
Yes,
he
my lord,
has
I have very serious
Mr.
objection.
Avasti, you have no legs to stand on, let us tell you.
No,
this.
sir.
my lord,
Please tell us, we want a report, what action have you taken against each of these colleges
my
which
lord,
are in issue?
registrars, they have been sacked from the post. They have been dismissed from the service.
Inspection committee?
The inspectors who have been there, my lord, there's a departmental inquiry. The registrars who had accepted those reports, they have been, my lord, there's a stay operating in their favor in the High Court. That doesn't mean that we did not take action. There was a dismissal order which was passed against the officers.
How many did you dismiss?
My lord, 3
Three.
My lord, may call for the report, what action they have taken.
600 colleges.
My lord, because there was 2018.
600.
Well, there was only one register for the council, and during these 3 occasions, my lord, this was done. So we,
Granted affiliation to these 600 colleges.
2018 onwards, my lord, it's
Three bodies and successive failures.
25 were suitable.
Yes, sir.
2,200 were suitable out of 800.
yes, yes.
What about other 600? How the affiliation were granted?
My lord, that was the basis on which, my lord, this entire exercise was
No,
undertaken.
no, Mr. Avasti,
My lord.
this is a cover-up exercise. Let us tell you this.
My lord,
They will be happy if the petitioners were not here, the Law Students Association was not here, everything would have been covered
my
up.
lord, we have given credit
Please
to
tell
that,
us,
my lord.
if we want,
on
Mr.
board, my
Avasti,
lord.
we want a report out of these 800 colleges. You said 200 were compliant, 600 were non-compliant.
Yes, sir.
These 600, each of the persons who were responsible for inspecting and recognition, we want to know what is status and what has happened from bottom till the top. And you are coming and favoring these students.
No, my lord. We are just, my lord, so far as, my lord, the role of the council has been concerned, my lord, there was a change, my lord, in furtherance to which, my lord, the honorable court's order, there was an administrator appointed. There was not even a registrar thereafter, my lord. the court ordered an administrator to be appointed, and those actions were taken in furtherance to their directions, my lord. But my lord, my submission is, my lord, so far as today's hearing is concerned, my lord, there are two aspects, my lord. One is that, my lord, the examination were to start from today,
Mr. Awasthi.
and my lord, the students.
Mr. Awasthi.
My lord.
No question of examination or declaration of result.
But all the students, my lord, because
Let them-
15,000 are
Mr.
there, my lord,
Awasthi.
only 2,000 are from unsuitable colleges.
Mr.
Remaining are
Awasthi,
from
too
suitable
bad.
colleges. But my lord, they are from suitable colleges.
Suitable college is a different issue.
My lord, precisely.
Non-suitable we are considering.
But my lord, the problem is, my lord, we are not able to take examination of those students also. Unsuitable, my lord, I have
First,
given.
we want to see the list of how they were categorized as suitable.
My lord, we just have for a moment, my lord, so far as my lord declaration of result is concerned, and so far as my lord the new examinations are to be concerned, my lord. If my lord, we just have the IOM 337, my lord, 337.
CBI has declared them as suitable colleges.
Yes.
They all had recognition. All 800.
Yes, yes.
So after inspection, 200 declared suitable.
Yes, yes.
By CBI and the court-appointed
We
committee.
also in
Those
2022.
will permit, rest we will not.
My lord, we just have for that purpose. If I may just
The
invite,
investigation is over or still pending?
that is over. They have submitted the
They
information.
registered any case or not?
Full data is there.
No case registered by CBI. Found nothing.
No, CBI found nothing.
Nothing.
No culpability.
Only the instruction has been done, and then the deficiencies which
What
have
about
been there in
cheating of these
respective
15,000 students? Cheating. Of these 15,000 who are so-called paid their fee.
My lord, on a lighter side, my lord, in fact, what had happened during that period, my lord, even the CBI officers were got
We pointed this fact in the court.
against them also, my lord. We used to be, my lord, 337 for a moment, my lord, in the context of the declaration of result and examination, my lord, because
No, Mr. Awasthi, in this light, we should allow everybody. Why have anybody? And we will direct these people to take treatment from these nurses.
my submission is not at all that. My submission is only that, my lord, with that process of
Shocking for the commission, shocking for the CBI not to find an infraction on the part of anybody. Somebody recognized the one-room college as a college. You mean to say bribe has not been taken?
there has been the deficiencies in relation to the infrastructure also.
Sorry?
There has been the deficiencies pointed out by the CBI in relation to various infrastructure also,
No,
including the teaching
out
staff.
of 800, 600 were found to be deficient by you yourself. That means somebody recognized those colleges for valuable consideration. And no infraction found. 800 colleges. And we have photographs of one shop standalone in a village which is recognized as a nursing college. And CBI says no illegality.
No, we have pointed out the deficiencies also in respective colleges.
Deficiencies, but you have not found a culpable case enough for a charge sheet to be filed.
Now, my lord, in fact, because
What
since
are you
pilot
showing
was, my lord, these are the photographs of the colleges which are now running, my lord. So as to indicate, because they were
200
creating a
compliant or
situation.
non-compliant?
All complaints, my lord.
Show us.
These are the just have a look in the sample, Your Honor. This is what a nursing college should be like.
No, what are these photographs?
My lord, these are the photographs of the colleges indicating, my lord, that these are the colleges which are now recognized, my lord, and they are the one who are running the courses now. So we have taken,
These are
all steps.
recognized colleges.
These are not recognized colleges.
Position of these colleges earlier. These
my lord,
colleges
No, Mr. Awasthi,
there are two types of colleges, my
why
lord.
are you not showing us photographs of the unregistered colleges?
Though they have been, my lord, all de-recognized, my lord. They all have been closed down. They all have been closed down. Some have been, some
How
have.
many colleges are running as
Well,
of
there were two
today?
types of colleges.
How many colleges are running as of today?
245.
245. Out of 800, now only 245.
There.
Now,
CBI has found nothing against others.
In reference, we have uploaded one, Your
No
Honor.
one favored to give anyone affiliation, anything.
Their
Has found nothing. No cognizable offense, nothing. No registration of FIR.
Their own director medical education was running a nursing college in a MIG flat against the, whereas the rule says 23 square,
Nothing.
1,000 square feet.
CBI, it is not a case.
my lord, in
Their mandate probably was
I may
limited.
just clarify, during this time, my lord, what
Chairman,
happened, there
I'm
was
sorry,
certain
Chairman of the
information, my lord,
Nursing
that
Council.
the report is being made for the consumption of the court. Probably because of that, they might not have taken action, my lord.
During the course of investigation or inquiry, CBI came to know that this type of affiliations were granted by this.
Ji.
So, if these facts were kept to the knowledge of the CBI, why they have not registered the FIR?
Have they sought permission from the court for registration FIR or no? We can understand CBI being cautious, matter is monitored by the court. So
Precisely, my lord, that might.
Precisely would mean here is culpability, please give us permission.
For that reason, my lord, since it was consumption, for the consumption of the court, that inspection was being done, my lord,
Not
probably because of
consumption.
that, they must not have.
Not consumption. Did CBI or has CBI sought permission for registration? Firstly, has CBI found any culpability? That's the first question. If no, then where is the question of seeking
Direction has
permission?
been issued by this honorable court itself to proceed for the inspection of the around 308 colleges, lord.
No, inspection is different. Have you found?
And the regions which has been assigned in the pointing over the deficiencies.
You were not trusted the inspection as a committee of the affiliation.
We followed the interim order which has been passed by this honorable court. We followed the order, you know,
For the purpose of ascertaining whether anything happened in the at the time of granting the affiliation or not?
We followed the,
What was the purpose to entrusted the CBI this matter?
just in relation to finding out the status of the colleges, whether there has been some deficiencies in relation to the infrastructure and the other teaching staff also that we have done also. And the specific order has been passed by this honorable court in relation to proceed for the inspection of around 308 colleges at the first instance also.
IE number 50, IE number
7624 किस में रेफरेंस में Lordships may kindly see serial number 334 and ERP. My IA page 50 is something which I wish to point. There is a report of the CBI. What it says in the last paragraph, the nursing college is running in violation of the norms of various education boards, nursing council in the existing school building. College management has cheated not only CBI but also various councils and educational boards. Categorically they say, hence unsuitable. 334.
Page 50, madam.
Page 50.
50 onwards, 48 onwards.
Page 40 onward, 48 onwards, but relevant is at page 50, which I've read, last lines. And the CBI reports that on the day of inspection, there were no students, no faculty members, parent hospital was closed, there is no audio-visual aids, no record of any clinical training or classes being held. These are just samples which we have annexed.
To these colleges, whether it was not the misuse of the powers,
There is one instance
whether
where
the provisions of the PC Act will not be affected. If there is a misuse of the power to grant the affiliation to this type of colleges, those are not having infrastructure, laboratory, anything.
one person acting,
Even as per this report, CBI has found only 15.53% colleges suitable. Only 15.53%.
this is one report.
Only one report.
This,
That was in
Despite that,
between.
you have not taken any action and you have not
there is one
any
instance.
application for seeking permission.
I will seek instruction on this point.
Investigate the matter.
I will seek instruction on this point.
There is one instance, Your Honor.
Some criminal action has not been taken against these
All the
colleges.
persons who committed this type of fraud with the students and with the society, it is scot free.
One person,
Action against them. They are coming with a case. Permit us to declare the result. Permit us to conduct the exam. Everything will be happened. New batches will come. New admissions in only suitable colleges.
Based on the inspection.
Everything will be closed.
Based on the inspections which has been done by the CBI by virtue of an order so passed by this on court, there has been the college which has been declared unsuitable. After pointing out the number of deficiencies pertaining to those colleges also. Otherwise, probably it would have been possible for all the students who have been the part of unsuitable colleges to participate in the examinations also. So far as the criminal intent lawsuit, that has not been done in this case.
there is one
But
instance.
lawsuit that inspection has been done by virtue of an interim order so passed by this on court also.
Against the responsible persons. No action. It's a big scam. Nothing happened. No one has been booked.
That should have been.
Everyone is free.
That should have been also. I will seek instruction on this point.
They will
Also, as to why
declare the
action has not
result.
been
They will conduct the exam. Everything will be over. Better ends. No one was found responsible for anything.
There is one instance where one person is shown as a principal in 18 colleges. We could lay our hands, we scanned 1 lakh papers during our vacations.
Now, those 18 colleges, have they been categorized as suitable, non-suitable? Have you checked up? They're not
They
non-suitable.
have not given us the full data. There was an order to give us
We
full
don't
data.
know. We don't know whether they're categorized as suitable or not suitable.
Probably most of them would be unsuitable, Your Honor.
No, but this particular instance that you're pointing out,
Yes.
that there is one principal in 18 colleges.
Yes.
Are those 18 colleges categorized as suitable, unsuitable? Do you have
Most of them must be.
Not most.
Because they have not given us the full
We
data.
don't have the data.
we don't have the data by the latest data by the CBI. But as per our research, if we go by our research, then all the colleges will be unsuitable.
We have already provided data in the pen drive.
No, there was
Not the full data.
Filed also.
the direction that they will provide, state will provide you the facility of scanning.
Yes.
And then you will provide the data, soft copy.
Yes, sir, already,
What is the data of that one?
They have given data of suitable colleges, not of unsuitable colleges.
That is.
That is what is.
Of this code, for providing the data and for providing the facility to the CBI. Yes, that is
3725.
1st July 2025.
Third, yes.
State is directed to provide the space and equipments including high-speed scanners to the CBI to ensure that they are able to expeditiously scan all those documents. The state shall also ensure that the infrastructure required for high-speed scanning along with required manpower is made available to the CBI within 3 days from the date of this order. After this, the CBI will start scanning those documents. Manpower should be also provided by the state. The manner in which this is going to be done is not the concern of this court. The state and CBI can between them can work out how the infrastructure is going to be made available to them. And this complete direction was there to provide and file this data in soft copy before this court. What happened?
Soft copy has been filed. 2025. Soft copy has been filed. 69.
And one copy has been given data of
6925.
800 colleges they have inspected, 100 colleges data they have
Informed that
given.
the pen drive is on its way from Bhopal. At the same good.
It was given to me, Malord. That pen drive
Was it filed? You have the pen drive?
Yes, sir, I have filed it.
So that is not the full data.
I have already filed it, also.
That is not the full data. Only 100 colleges are there out of 800.
That has a list of all 800 colleges.
So, I also have to further verify it. Otherwise, also as per the feedback which has been given by the IU concern, all the data is as per the pursuance of the disorder court also has been filed.
CBI is directed to file the complete details and data with regard to the 800 colleges.
Yeah. All the colleges they have inspected.
Of all the colleges inspected by CBI and all the nursing colleges inspected by CBI. If not all, within a period of before the next date of hearing, the CBI shall also indicate as to whether any culpability has been found by the CBI during their investigation stroke inquiry, and if so, what action has been taken by CBI. The nursing, this is for Medical Commission.
Registration Council.
Nurses
Registration Council.
Nurses Registration Council shall also place on record an affidavit indicating as to what steps have been taken, if any, against the officers who were responsible for granting recognition from time to time to the unsuitable and deficient colleges.
Now that same direction may be given to INC also, Indian Nursing Council, because they were also one of the bodies.
They recognize them.
Well, prior to 2018, INC used to give the recognition. And
Who's appearing for INC?
Mr. Mohan Sosarkar appears.
Nursing Registration Council, Indian Medical Council.
Indian Nursing Council.
Indian Nursing Council and in our MP Nursing Registration Council, दोनों का करता हूँ. List on 12th May 2026.
Malord, I have a humble request. So far as Malord, our application is concerned, Malord, 337 Malord students.
After all this,
Malord, 15,000 students are from suitable colleges. Only 2,206 Malord are from the unsuitable Malord.
Mr.
But they all
Avasti,
will suffer, Malord.
Mr. Avasti, 800 colleges, 200 recognized, 15,000 from 200 colleges, and how many did you say?
Malord,
2,000 from 600 colleges. So these colleges had 4 students.
No. If Malord may just, they were the one who have taken admission for the purpose of.
So there were 600 deficient colleges.
For giving exams, Malord. These are the students who have qualified.
We will see whether we can accept this suitability also of these declared suitable colleges.
Malord, but they have already been done from.
Let them.
You have included the students, those who have been shifted from the unsuitable colleges and deficient colleges to the suitable colleges.
Not at all. They are only 800 in
There is
number.
Mr.
They are only
Avasti,
800 in number. Others are not there, Malord.
questions are being raised on CBI declaring them suitable also.
There were twice in exam. The inspection has been done by CBI.
So there is a question mark being raised on CBI declaring them suitable.
Because of that only, Malord, the second
We
inspection
would
was
like to
done.
satisfy ourselves before we pass any order.
But Malord, they are the students from the. Now, Malord, there has to be some certainty so far as the suitable colleges are concerned. They will.
The only certainty as of now is take fresh admission. Other certainty we don't know.
Malord, these are the students from the.
Prime FSI, we are not in favor of anybody till the time there is clarity.
My lord, then what? My lord, these are.
What will be the fate? They'll take fresh admission.
12, my lord, on 12/3 there is a we give our intimation, my lord, we give our timetable that there will be an examination. At the last time when the students have prepared, they have done their travel arrangement, they have prepared, we have already dispatched the answer sheet,
When is the
question
exam?
papers. Thereafter, my lord, they come
When
forward
is
and
the
make an
exam?
application.
When is the
They were to be started from today, my lord.
On what basis did you notify the exam?
My lord, on the basis of the honorable court's order, my lord.
Which order said you are permitted to conduct an examination?
My lord, these are so far as my lord the final year examination for that.
You
one,
had
my
to
lord.
start with 12/3.
My lord.
12/3, we are on 28/4 already.
No, no.
So that is
12/3
gone.
Yes, my lord. So they petitioners had intimation, my lord, but they came at the 11th hour, my lord, before this court. And therefore, my
At
lord, the
least they
students
did
are.
come on the 11th hour. Mr. Avasti, why have educational institutions? जिसको मर्जी जो मर्जी डिग्री चाहिए ले लो.
These are the suitable colleges, my lord.
there are question
about
marks.
unsuitable
Mr.
colleges,
Avasti,
my lord. My lord can
Today we have doubts on the declaration of these colleges as suitable. We want to satisfy ourselves. If you are right, we'll give them permission. If you are not right, then we won't give them permission. Whether CBI classifies them as suitable or not, we just want to verify. That is why we want their entire data. You kept it on 11th of May, 12th of May. Now it on 12th of May.
My lord, sir, item number 19.
Chodo isko.
Let the notice. I pray for the notice.
You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for petitioner, individual person, my lord, sir,
Who is he?
advocate by practice, and it was his petition initially, which was filed in Gwalior bench, where the CBI inquiry and other things were done, my lord.
So
my lord, there are few points which has not been raised. In
you can be here. We don't want to reopen the whole thing. These petitions have been pending for so long. So many orders passed.
My lord, kindly come to page number 51 of my petitions, my lord. There is a letter by which it has been said that no action has been taken, and these points are not being raised. उपरोक्त प्रशागत लेख है कि संदर्भानुसार विभाग द्वारा आपको पूर्व में दिए गए पत्रों से स्पष्ट किया गया है कि सत्र 2021-22 में डुप्लीकेट फैकल्टी उपयोग करने वाले 227 नर्सिंग कॉलेज एवं 22-23 में माइग्रेट फैकल्टी नियम विरुद्ध उपयोग करने वाले 284 दोषी नर्सिंग कॉलेज की मान्यता निरस्तीकरण
We have raised this issue.
मान्यता हासिल करने वाले दोषी संस्थाओं पर कानूनी कार्रवाई किए जाने के निर्देश आदेश दिए थे, परंतु आज दिनांक तक 19 संस्थाओं की बस आपने मान्यता निरस्त की है. Rest they have not.
So you be here and assist us. Why should we issue
सर
notice?
2023 का लेटर पढ़ना है 2026 में. वो ऑलरेडी उसके बाद
We
सारे
scanned those 1 lakh pages and then we found this issue of, manually we scanned and then we found this issue of duplicate faculty.
My lord, I can be of some assistance with on.
So we are not declining assistance. You be here. We'll see.
My lord, as I've been informed, my lord, there are more than 1 lakh pages, my lord, which are there, my lord. Some of them, around 50,000 pages have already been scanned. Around 50,000, my lord. The remaining have to be scanned.
Your earlier statement was that they have already been submitted.
No, that is for the CBI. So far as our scanning part is concerned, my lord, that is what I'm pointing out. Because we are only required to give scanners. It is not our obligation at all. But what have been told, my lord, that is what I am informing, my lord. So
Submit the complete data. Sorry.
हाँ, वो तो पूरा हम CBI को दे चुके हैं. It is in their office only. It is not with us. It is in the office of the CBI only. We are only required to give the scanning report. It is their report. It is not our report which are.
So what are you saying?
What I am saying, my lord, कि 11th तक 12th तक that will not be possible, my lord, to scan entire data and give
तो
it to
ठीक
them.
है, आप 2 साल में करके लाइए.
No,
Exam
I'm
नहीं
saying
होगा
this-
जब तक we are not satisfied. That is up to you. Take whatever time you want. We are not permitting the exam till we are satisfied. Tell us the date. We'll fix it on that day. 15,000 pages scanned in how many years?
No, ये तो अभी ऑर्डर हुआ था.
कब हुआ था?
सितंबर में सर, सितंबर में ऑर्डर हुआ था.
We are in April. So 8
Then I'll take
महीने,
clarification.
7 महीने में 15,000 पेज स्कैन हुए.
I'll point out, my lord, then whatever is the situation.
Let us see on 11th.
It is there written only, my lord.
We are very clear, Mr. Avasti, we are not giving permission for anything till we are satisfied. So you take as much time as you want. We'll keep it on 11th. You come back and see, sure, tell us. Sorry, 12th. You come back and inform us. 12th.
Serial number 20.